Okay, so if you open this video, then please translate, make sure that you've taken this document right here and translate this into your language if you need to do that. But I will give you a summary. What we did before, what we're going to review right now is how to find which of these values are solutions to that, which give us a true statement to that. For example, if I say x is greater than 4, right? Which one of these over here is true? So I take 1, is 1 greater than 4? No, so that's not a solution. Is 3 greater than 4? No, no. Is 5? Yes. 7? Yes. All these, if I put them right here, are greater than 4. So those are the only solutions. But again, I'm not looking at that equation right there. I'm looking at that equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this equation, I'm going to try this one, I'm going to put it right there and right there and see if it gives me a true statement. So I go 7 parenthesis plus 10 greater than 3 parenthesis plus 34. Is that true? Well, again, I take the 1. Okay, so if it's true, I take the 1, put it right there and right there, and I calculate. So 7 times 1, so if I do 7 times 1 plus 10, I get 17. Is that greater than 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 34? Is 17 greater than 37? No, so that's not a solution. No. So then I keep trying numbers. And if I keep trying numbers, if you keep trying it, then I try this one. I go let's see. So now I'm going to try 3, and I'm going to put it over there. And let's see what I get. I get right here, 21 plus 10 is 31. Is that greater than 9 plus 34 is 43? Is that? No. So then this is no. And then I'm going to keep trying, right? So I try 5 now. So that's 35 plus 10, 45. Is that greater than 15 plus 34, 49? No. So still no. Okay. Then I try 7. Okay. So I'm going to try 7. 7, 7, 49, 59, 21, 55. 59 greater? Yes. Finally, we get yes. So that's one of them. So yes. And then I try 9. Let's go like this. So try 9. 63, 73, is that greater 27? 57, 61? Yes. So that's yes. So basically 7 and 9 are the solutions. This takes too long. So we want a faster way to do it. So now I want you to read this and translate this. And now we're going to try a different way. So go ahead and translate it. Okay, now we're going to use what we learned about algebra, isolate and solve for x. So what do? We see, number one, we combine like terms, right? So that's the 7x and 3x. They're on opposite sides, so we have to remove them. So we go minus 3x, and we get, let's see. So this is 4x plus 10 greater than, this goes away, 34 from over here, right? Good. Now we're going to combine like terms, this term number 10 and this term. So we go This goes away, greater than 24. Now we're going to take this and we're going to divide by 4, right? So then we get, finally, x, this cancels out, right, is greater than 24 divided by 4. So 6, okay? Now that we know that, we're done. That means every value that's bigger than 6 is correct. Let's take this over here. So now let's remember what we had over here. Here we had that, let's get rid of that. Remember, we had the answers and we know these are true, right? Oops. We know those are true, but look at this. This says x is greater than 6. Is 1 greater than 6? No. 3 greater than 6? No. Is 5 greater than 6? No. Is 7 greater than 6? Yes. Is 9 greater than 6? Yes. Okay. So we only have to do algebra one time and we can get all the correct answers. Okay. So it's much quicker to do it like that. So that's a much easier way to do it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do algebra to use algebra to solve for these and solve quicker. I'm going to do a few more notes and then we'll be done. Okay, on the other side of your page, please translate this. But like I said, if you have an equation, x is, so 2x is greater than 10, for example, what are the solutions? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We can try, but what we can do is we can take this and go 2x divided by 2 is greater than 10 divided by 2, cancels, x is greater than 5. And then we come over here and say only 7 and 9 is greater than 5. So that's very fast, right? Okay, so this is why we do it. We get it down, we isolate x. But one thing to watch out, sign, direction, change. So let's take negative 2x is greater than 6. Okay, so what's one value that makes this true? So we have to, so to solve for x, we go divided by negative 2, divide by negative 2. This cancels. X is, that makes it change because you're dividing by a negative number. Then you have to go changes direction. Okay. So 6 divided by negative 2. Okay. So that is the exception of when you need to change directions. Okay. So now you're ready to do the assignment. Oh, first, show your teacher the grade, show your teacher the notes, show your teacher your notes to get an A, and then you can get the assignment.